Here's Logo AI tutorial. Here's how to create logos in minutes with AI. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create logos in minutes with AI. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't miss a single step, because in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make logos with AI. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's just jump into this video. And as you can see, I'm inside this website called LogoAI, and I'm here right now in there trying to show you how you can make logos. So first of all, once you're here, this is the main dashboard of Logo AI. So you have basically to click on let's make a logo. Once you have clicked on it, it'll bring you right over here. As you can see, it's telling us hi there. It's simply just a welcome. But here the real work starts. So as you can see, it's telling me enter your logo name. You can always make changes later. Yeah, we know we can change the name. But once you're here, you have to put in your company name. So it's telling us logo name, but you are making a logo for your company or any other thing. So you have to put in your company name. For example, I'm just gonna type in super. But as you can see, I just wrote super. But to show y'all what slogan actually looks like, but it's optional. You can just continue. But slogan is optional, but some people really like using slogans. So here's your slogan. I'm just gonna type in superhero, super in logo name and slogan as a hero. So once you've done that, you just press continue. Once press continue, as you can see, in here we have to select our industry. So selecting our industry is very important for our logos, and as you can see, there are many types of industries. First of all, it's called traveler. Second is sport fitness. Then we got retail, religious, real estate, legal, internet, technology, home family, events, even medical, dental, restaurant, finance, non-profit, entertainment, construction, education, beauty spa, automotive, animals, and others. So if you can find your industry, you can just click on it. That's based on your company or logo that you're making. But you don't, you can just basically press others. But as my name is my logo name is a superhero, so I'm just gonna go for entertainment, because that basically counts in entertainment. But once you're here, as you can see, it's telling us to select our color schemes. So selecting our color schemes can be important, because color schemes basically describe your whole company and logo. So as you can see, there are like 6 types of color schemes. First one is warm, second one is cold, then we got contrast, then we got pastel, then grayscale, and then gradient. So you can just go for any color that you want and that suits your logo, your company name, or any other thing. But I think I'm just gonna go for contrast for this one. Let's just go for contrast and press continue. And as you can see, in the last step, we get to select our font style. So in font style, as you can see, we have again 6 options, but there are like different options, just like modern. So in modern, we get to see like we can work for like we can guess like style like Chanel's or even Google mobile or BBC. Modern is basically like more cleaner side, and it will make your logos look more better and cleaner, like efficient. Like then we got elegant. So elegant is basically used for like luxurious brands. So if you got like expensive or luxurious brand, just like here, as you can see, these are some expensive brands. We can see Rolex, Zara, and Prada. Also a soap company, Dove, but it's just an example. But once you see this, you can just go for this if you're like, it depends on your company. But we get slab. Slab is basically used for like a few cars or a few companies, maybe too, or also some electronics. So as you can see, they gave out some examples of Sony, Volvo, and Honda. So you can just select this, or you can just go for handwritten. And handwritten, I think is the best one, because it makes your logo like very artistic type and very cool looking. So you can just go for handwritten, or you can either go for playful. So if you like very like childish type of company, or you got like toys or games in your company or logo, you could just go for playful. Or you got futuristic, and as you can see in futuristic, you got Sega, NASA, and Tesla. So yeah, looks pretty futuristic. So you can just go for anyone you want. So we're just gonna go for handwritten, because I don't know, it just makes me feel like, or we can just go for modern. Let's go for modern. And after selecting modern, as you can see, we are generating logos for you. All right. And as you can see, we got some pretty cool looking logos right over here. So we're just gonna find the one that we like. I think I'm liking this one. Like this one looks pretty cool. I don't know, but yeah, this one looks pretty cool. So as you can see, it's also animating. So let's just go ahead and check its editing setting and how we can customize our own logos. So once you have generated your logos, you can basically customize them too. And as you can see, you can customize every little detail of it. So I'm going to describe every single thing on how you can do that. So as you can see, the first thing is that you can change the text and stuff like that. So let's say I want a black background and I want white colors. I'm just gonna switch everything to white. White got full screen, bro. And this one white too. This as white. And as you can see, our old logo is changed now. We changed the colors, the schemes. It turned the background was white. We changed it to black, and the text was basically black, and we changed it to white. So you can change the fonts right over here. As you can see, again, you get the options right over here. Once you select this, it will just bring up right over here. You can just select which type of font you want. You can just go, if you don't like the models, you can just go for, again, you can just go for a playful or stuff like that. Then here you get symbols. You get to choose what type of symbol you want. I need this symbol. I changed it. You can just change the symbol by just one click, and as you can see, it's pretty efficient. And one of those changed my colors too. And in colors, you can just get, again, you get colors. It depends on you which one you want. I think this one's looking pretty cool right now. For me, it's pretty gold and looking good. So what you have to do is press save, and it will ask you to sign in. Just basically press sign in and press confirm, and it will take a few minutes to sign in, and there we go. It's telling us logo saved. But once the logo is saved, and how you can download or buy, so you can just basically buy the logo by clicking on this buy option. And as you can see, you get 3 options right over here though. So the first option is called basic option. So in basic, you get design edits. You can also download the logo, but you'll get a lower pixels. You'll get 800 x 600 pixels, and you get transparent PNG. But you don't get any of the others options in the basic. But as we see pro, we get high res for each and every logo. We get transparent PNG too, then vector files, then Word and PPT, brand identity, no logo animation, but we get no brand center too. But and if we see brand, we get $99 USD. Same, but we get logo animation with it brand center. So yeah, these are the options on how you can get it. And yeah, this is it. So that's how you can create logos in minutes with AI. So yeah, I'll help you guys out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and peace out.